Morning, guys. Back at it again with another vlog. Man, it's cold. About to go. It was supposed to rain all day, and it didn't look like it was gonna rain, but now it's starting to drizzle. We're gonna go to yard sales. Yeah, I want that barbecue place again. That junk was good last time, so probably go there for lunch. All right, yeah, boy. Like a grumbly.
Poke his belly. That will work.
Oh, we can make it rain.
Really?
A bunch of thrift shops, just looking around for stuff. Get out the house. Now we're gonna go eat lunch special. Oh man, it ain't Thursday. Monday to Thursday. Yeah, what? What happens, kid?
You like these?
Wat je lekker schaar, dat kan daar eerst in hoor.
Yeah, what?
Ah, lekker.